Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine. Today, in this video, we are going to start the syllabus of Term 1 examination. Okay, so in Term 1 exam, chapter number 2, components of food, is included. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So, chapter's title is Components of Food, and this is in biology. Why this chapter is in biology? Because it is related with living organism, and whatever the food we are eating, it is also comes from the living organism. For example, milk. So we get milk from the living organism, from a living organism named as buffalo or cow, right? Same for any kind of spices, for example, turmeric powder or chili powder. You know that it is obtained from the plants, and plants are also related, also considered as living organism. So food is the thing, or it is a topic which is related with living organism, hence it is in biology. Now let's understand the title's meaning, what it means. Components. What do you mean by the term components? Let us divide the title into two parts, which is components and second is food. What do you mean by the term component? So component means one part of something. For example, computer system. So you know that computer system consists of an input device like keyboard and mouse. Output device is desktop or printer, anything can be there. Okay, and one CPU, the brain is there, which is going to be process the input and showing you the result on the output. So you see that input, output and CPU, these three are the parts of, or should I say components of computer. ओके, सो कंपोनेंट्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग. सो कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड मीन्स फूड कौन से पार्ट से बना है या कौन सी चीज़ों से बना हुआ है, और शुड आई से फूड कौन कौन सी चीज़ें फूड के अंदर होती है. दैट इज दिस चैप्टर अबाउट. Okay, so this is the title, components of food, means which important substances are present in the food. Okay, so let me tell you what we are going to learn in this one by one. So here comes about the introduction. Okay, but before that I will tell you that in this chapter we are going to understand and also recall some part of the chapter number 1, that what is food, why food is important, what do you mean by the term nutrition, what is nutrients, these things. So I will start the chapter for the first definition, and its name is nutrition. Mostly whenever you just eat any food packet or you are buying any food related things, so on the bottle or on the packet you will see that it is there is one word is present over there, which is nutrition. So what do you mean by the term nutrition? Nutrition means the process. It is a process. वो एक टाइप की प्रोसेस है. उस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है? So it is a process of taking in nutrients from the food you eat. Okay, you can speak it in a other way like this way, that nutrition is the process in which living organism eats food, and this food is being utilized by their body is considered as nutrition. क्या मतलब है न्यूट्रिशन का? दैट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो होते हैं वो खाना खाते हैं. ये खाना खाने की प्रोसेस को न्यूट्रिशन बोलते हैं, एंड जो खाना वो खाते हैं उनकी बॉडी इस खाने का इस्तेमाल करती है पूरी बॉडी फंक्शन करवाने के लिए. इट इज़ कंसिडर एज न्यूट्रिशन. सो खाना खाने की प्रोसेस को हम न्यूट्रिशन बोलेंगे. ओके, क्यों न्यूट्रिशन बोला जाता है? बिकॉज न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब होता है टू नरिश योर सेल्फ. सो खाना खाने से होता क्या है, आपकी बॉडी नरिश होती है, उसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्सटेंसेस जाने की वजह से कि बॉडी प्रॉपर फंक्शन करती है. इसलिए न्यूट्रिशन इज द डेफिनेशन इन विच मीन्स दैट टू टेकिंग इन फूड एंड नरिश योर बॉडी. ओके, हाउ विल यू नरिश योर बॉडी? बाय ईटिंग फूड. सो फूड में ऐसा क्या है जिसकी वजह से आपकी बॉडी नरिश होती है? सो इट कंसिस्ट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स. इट्स नेम आर nutrients. Okay, so nutrients means what? Your chapter's name, components of food. So the some important substance is present in your food. It is named as nutrients. Getting what I want to say? But before that, the very first question arrived. We are learning components of food. Why we are learning components of food? What is the need? Food means nothing. It is just a eating thing. Nothing else. No, it's not like that. You must have to understand what is food, why food is important. If you understand these two things, then and then you will get that which kind of food is right for your body and which is not. Okay, fine. So moving to the next, the question arrive, what is food? So food is the substance which gives you energy and helps to nourish your body, or we can write that it will help you to maintain your body function. Then also it's correct. Okay, so what is the definition of food? Let me speak once again. The substance that provide energy and help you to nourish. If you don't want to write help you to nourish, then you can write the substance that gives you energy and maintain the body function. It is named as food. Getting? Okay, now what is food? That we understood. Why food is important? Now let's understand that. So total 4 main reasons are there why food is important for your body. So for that, suppose imagine that you haven't eat up to 4 to 5 days. What will happen? What change will come in your body? So you will going to find out that you will feel very weak. Okay, mentally also and physically also. You can't able to perform proper physical or mental work. You will feel that you are so fatigued. आप बहुत थकान महसूस कर रहे हो, right? But on the other hand, if I will provide you food after completion of 5th day, then what will happen? As you eat the food, your body will slowly and gradually feel energized. Why it is feel energized? Because this is the first important reason why food is important, because food gives us energy. If you eat food, then energy will produce in your body and you can perform any physical or mental work very efficiently. Getting? Now let's move to the next, the second reason. Okay, the second reason is that it helps for growth and repair damaged body parts. Okay, so let's divide it into two, for growth and second one is repair damaged body parts. So for growth means what? As you know that when you were newborn baby, at that time you were so small, you cannot able to stand on your own or eat on your own or anything else. Okay, but now you are in the 6th standard. Just observe your body from newborn baby to 6th standard boy or girl. You see that there is a huge physical growth happened in your body. Not only just physical but mental also. Okay, so that is thanks to the food. If I will not give you food up to 15 days or 1 week or 1 month, then what will happen? You may die, because there is no energy, no any important substances which will help the organs to perform their function and all. So due to that reason, slowly and gradually you will reach to the death. Okay, so if you consume the food, then it will provide you energy as well as it will help you to grow. आपकी body है वो cells से बनी है, CELLS. वो हम लोग जो रिमोट में डालते हैं वो सेल नहीं, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ अ टाइनीएस्ट पार्ट. हमारी बॉडी जिस टाइनीएस्ट पार्ट से बनी है जिसका नाम है सेल, हमारी बॉडी सेल्स से बनी है. अगर आप राइट अमाउंट ऑफ फूड खाते हो तो ये सेल्स है वो अच्छे से फंक्शन करते हैं और आपकी बॉडी में नए सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जिससे आपका फिजिकल ग्रोथ होता है, आपकी हाइट बढ़ती है, आपकी बॉडी में प्रॉपर amount of muscles develop होते हैं, like etc. So if you consume the food, it will help us to grow. Second is it will repair the damaged body parts. I will just give you a very small example. Suppose maybe you got a fracture because you fall from the ground or anything happened, any accident happened, so your bones get break. Okay, now you got a plaster up to 21 days. Now does that plaster only will heal your whole fracture? No, answer is no. At that time the doctor will provide you some important medicines which is quite rich in calcium. ओके, कैल्शियम रिच खाना खाने को बोलेंगे, कैल्शियम रिच दवाई आपको देंगे, जिसकी वजह से आपके बोन्स को प्रॉपर कैल्शियम मिलेगा, आपका जो फ्रैक्चर है वो हील होगा, एंड देन आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ 21 days you will become once again that perfect one. So you see that this is just an example, but आपकी बॉडी में डेली कुछ ना कुछ माइनर इंजरीज या ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ अगर होता है तो वो फूड है, उसके अंदर कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं, उसको रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करती है. आपके स्कार्स है, आपको कहीं पे कट लग गया है, आपका कट हील कैसे हो जाता है? अपने आप हो जाता है? हाँ, हो जाता है, लेकिन उसके लिए भी क्या चाहिए? फूड चाहिए, क्योंकि फूड के अंदर कुछ ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जो इसको हील करने में हेल्प करते हैं. थर्ड रीज़न इज प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम डिजीज. इमेजिन दैट यू ईट द फूड विदाउट वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स एंड you just came in the house after completion of heavy physical exercise. Your hands are dirty, your legs are dirty, your face are dirty, completely covered with dust and harmful bacteria and all, and if you will going to eat the food by that hand only, what will happen? The harmful bacteria and viruses will also enter in your body which may harm you. आपकी बॉडी को वो हार्म कर सकते हैं. So at that time the food will act as a soldier. ओके, वो सैनिक की तरह आपकी बॉडी को ऐसे हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज एंड वायरसेस से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं एंड आपकी बॉडी को बीमार होने से बचाते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई द फूड इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज मेंटेन बॉडी फंक्शंस. सी, योर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ मैनी सिस्टम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproduction system, many things. And these systems consist of many important vital organs. अगर आप सही अमाउंट ऑफ फूड नहीं खाओगे तो आपका दिमाग कैसे चलेगा? दिमाग नहीं चलेगा तो आप पढ़ कैसे पाओगे? राइट और नॉट? ओके, इसलिए बोला जाता है बादाम खाओ, अखरोट खाओ तो आपका दिमाग चलेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उन दोनों चीज़ों में कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट सब्सटेंस है जो आपके ब्रेन को नरिश करते हैं ताकि आपकी ब्रेन की एबिलिटी इम्प्रोवाइज हो. राइट? सो वैसे ही बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं जिसके लिए कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट नरिशमेंट की ज़रूरत है. ये नरिशमेंट फूड से मिलती है एंड आपके ऑर्गन्स प्रॉपरली वर्क कर पाते हैं एंड पूरी बॉडी perfectly function कर पाती है and you seems quite healthy, right? So this is the main reason why food is important. First, once again let me repeat, first is to get energy, second for the growth and repair damaged body parts, third is to protect from disease, and fourth is maintain body function. So I hope you understand and you enjoyed the introduction of chapter number 2, components of food. Now what are the main topics of this chapter that we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, hope you will going to enjoy this learning session. Okay, now let me end this video. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.